Imagine wearing a device that transforms not just how you see the world, but how you interact with it, instantly making you the most informed and connected person in the room. That's not just hype. It's the imminent reality promised by the new Snap specs with Snap OS 2.0. And after a first-hand test of this groundbreaking upgrade, I'm genuinely astounded. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this the true future of smart eyewear, or will practical challenges keep them just out of reach for everyday users? As revealed a few months ago at AWE 2025, Snap's much-anticipated specs are finally slated for public release in 2026, shifting focus from years of developer-only versions straight into the mainstream market. This is a major turning point, ending the wait for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. I had the chance to speak with Scott Myers, Snap's VP of Hardware, and his insights underscored how seriously Snap is tackling the enormous technical obstacles, especially in miniaturizing components and refining the spec's physical design. But hardware is only half the battle. What about the software experience, the core operating system that brings these devices to life? That's where Snap OS 2.0 takes the spotlight. This isn't just another OS update. It's a leap forward designed specifically for seamless, consumer-ready augmented reality experiences. During my hands-on demo, I experienced firsthand how the synergy of AR and AI, when combined in these smart glasses, signals the dawn of a truly new era. The expansive universe of Snap lenses, those interactive overlays beloved by Snapchat users, now become tools for learning and everyday convenience directly in your field of view. Think about it. Current smart glasses, such as the futuristic Rokid models, are cool but rely heavily on being tethered to your smartphone for computing power. This is a workable compromise for now, since hardly anyone leaves home without their phone, but it introduces delays and distracts from the dream of true standalone specs. Is smart eyewear really smart if it still needs your phone to function? Some innovators, like Meta with Project Orion and Xreal's Project Aura, attempt to solve this by moving the brains of the system into a pocket-sized puck. But Snap is flipping the script by packing all the necessary tech, including dual Snapdragon processors, a quartet of cameras, with 2 specializing in infrared computer vision, stereo audio, a 6-microphone array, and waveguide displays boasting a 46-degree field of view, right into the glasses themselves. The end result? A rich, all-in-one AR experience in something that sits lightly on your nose. And this is the part most people miss. Suddenly, all the capabilities of a VR headset are available in a wearable format that blends in seamlessly with your life. This could redefine how we understand and interact with the world, a bold claim, but one that feels within reach after experiencing the consumer-ready Snap specs firsthand. One standout feature I tried was Spatial Tips, an app that fuses multimodal AI and AR to visually guide you through tasks. It's one thing to hear instructions, but it's another to actually see the steps mapped out on the object in front of you. Like learning to skateboard with step-by-step labels right on the board, guiding precisely where to place your feet and how to move. This smart labeling works for much more than skateboarding. Whether you're fixing a bike or cooking a new recipe, the AI recognizes objects and overlays clear, contextual instructions right where you need them. It's intuitive, visual learning made easy. Translation, another key battleground for AR glasses, also gets a major boost. While smartphones and basic audio-only glasses like the Ray-Ban Metas have offered real-time translation for years, they force you to either look away at a screen or wait for audio cues. With Snap specs, the translation lens not only translates in real time, but smartly pins subtitles to each person speaking. Imagine being in a group conversation in a foreign language, with every speaker's words instantly captioned next to them. Plus, written translation is a breeze. Just pinch and highlight a menu, say in Mandarin, and get the translation right where you're looking. No phone screen required. But what really elevates Snap specs is how the device begins to replace multiple everyday tools. The upgraded Spectacles browser lets you pin web pages anywhere in your space, so you can, for example, have a recipe floating above your stove as you cook. No more messy cookbook pages or balancing your phone. Support for multiple browser tabs opens up even more possibilities. Follow a YouTube tutorial while surfing the web or checking emails, all without looking away from what's in front of you. Viewing, capturing, and organizing photos becomes immersive too. The gallery lens surrounds you with your camera roll in 3D space, letting you quite literally turn around and browse your memories. And with Snapchat collections now integrated, you can watch trending vertical videos or even produce first-person content for the app, all through your specs. For anyone into fitness or gamified movement, there's even more excitement. Testing out Synth Riders, a rhythm game reminiscent of Beat Saber, gave me a taste of just how engaging AR-powered workouts could be. Unlike the sometimes uncomfortable VR headsets of today, SnapSpec's lightweight design means you can play, move, and exercise naturally. Imagine collecting virtual items on your daily walk or getting an efficient workout in your living room without strapping a bulky device to your head. Admittedly, I got a little competitive and pushed the battery to its limit, chasing a high score. But that hints at a new challenge: battery life. Can these slim specs really deliver all-day usage? And this brings us to the real debate. As promising as the technology is, making these glasses light, stylish, and comfortable, while still packing in all the advanced hardware and maintaining a reasonable battery life, is a legendary engineering hurdle. Current developer versions give about 45 minutes per charge, nowhere near enough for a busy day. But after talking to Snap's team, I'm convinced they're aggressively working to close this gap. So, are Snap specs with SnapOS 2.0 set to finally deliver on the decades-old promise of true AR glasses for everyone? Or will size, style, and endurance keep them in the realm of futuristic prototypes? I left Snap's offices genuinely excited about how close we've come to this technology becoming a new essential, changing not only how we access information, but how we navigate the world without ever pulling out a phone. But here's the spicy question. Will consumers embrace the idea of always-on smart glasses, or will privacy, comfort, or fashion concerns hold them back? Are these innovations enough to make you want to ditch your phone for a pair of specs? Or does it all still feel a little too Black Mirror for comfort? Share your take. Would you wear Snap specs all day, or is this a step too far? Debate below. Let's hear your hot takes.